Hello guys, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. So let's write on the screen here that this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and what we are looking here at is the US dollar and Canadian dollar. The reason for that is that the move that follows here to the downside that aggressively, from my point of view, seems to end with a contracting triangle. Let's try to take this line. So this should be from here to be A, B, C, D, and now the E wave here. And like any contracting triangle, this one travels within the A and C trend lines like this. And B and D trend lines. And normally it should break higher. Like the name of this analysis suggests, this is being called a non-limiting triangle, and this should break to the upside. Maybe the triangle is not completed, and all this move here, so this to be wave A, and all this move A, B, C to be only the B wave. So if we are seeing that price is doing something like this, and until Friday and then to break higher, then we should interpret it as such. Nevertheless, this is no place where I would like to be short, or this is no place where I would like to buy put options, but this is a place where I would really like to buy call options. And the reason for this thing is that from my point of view we are having another triangle of a bigger degree. Let me try to show you from here. And this triangle to go something like this, from this highs here to these lows here, like this. So this to be wave A, and then A, B, C for the B wave to the upside, but to end with another triangle here. Then let's say that this is the triangle completed here. So we have A, B, C, D, and E. Or maybe this is only wave A of that leg of the bigger triangle. It doesn't matter. It still needs a move to the upside. Something like this. That would be the scenario. Also, what it should be taken into consideration is the fact that it might very well be that this move to the downside here, this A, B, C, to end only here, even though it doesn't really look like that. So it should be considered anyways. Now this is also another triangle that ended the leg of the previous move. Like this. So if I were to label this pattern, I would say that this one starts from here and goes with the following labeling. This is wave A to the downside. Then the B wave to the upside. Then of course the C wave here. Either completed or this being only A, B, C, and then to have the C wave here. And then of course we would like to see a D wave there, of course. And that is the move, or there is the reason why I would like to buy call options, especially that price is forming here a potential non-limiting triangle that is supposed to break to the upside. Now, what I will look here also in terms of previous support to turn into resistance, look at this area here, how price reacted in this area every time it tried to move higher. See here, failed, failed again, get the strength, and then broke, retested, and then moving higher. That would be the target to the upside, somewhere around 111.40 towards 111.60, and that would be an area the price should be on, or at the expiration date or close to the expiration date. Now, as mentioned a bit earlier, I'm buying here call options, and the expiration date for it I would like to be end of week expiration date. This is, even though this is a 1 hour chart, don't expect price to just jump like this. So we'll have probably like this and like this and like this, and it remains to be seen how the jobs data in Canada is going to be, how the jobs data in the United States is going to be, as those would hardly influence the price action moving forward. So let's write here on the screen that we are buying call options with end of week expiration date. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com, and all this analysis and recommendations are possible due to the help of our sponsor here, Lion Knife. Bye bye.